Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to Day 18.
I hope you're having a wonderful day.
And I hope you've eaten something, because today's episode is going to make everyone hungry.
That's right. This week, we're talking all about food and dining.
Yesterday, we visited a cafe and learned how to order coffee, tea, and pastries in English.
Today, we're doing something different. We're staying at home and walking into the kitchen.
Uh-oh. You know cooking is my weakest skill.
I know. You love pizza, sandwiches, and any meal that takes less than 5 minutes.
My favorite recipe is open the delivery app.
That's not a recipe.
Yeah, but it works every time.
Well, today, I'm going to help you become a better cook.
Okay, our listeners are about to watch a miracle happen.
Actually, cooking is a great topic for learning English. Yeah, because recipes use lots of simple action verbs.
Like eat?
Before you eat, you have to cook. Since my dad is a chef, I grew up hearing these cooking words all the time.
And since I grew up eating whatever was easiest, I'm the perfect student.
Great! Today, we're going to learn 4 very useful cooking verbs. Cut, boil, fry, and bake.
Cut, boil, fry, and bake. Okay, let's see if I can survive this cooking lesson.
The first verb is cut. C-U-T. We use a knife to cut food into smaller pieces, like cutting an apple or cutting tomatoes for a salad.
I do that sometimes.
Yeah? What do you cut?
Yes. I cut bread for toast almost every morning.
Right. You're already using the verb cut in real life.
I'm basically a chef already.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Fair enough.
Here's a simple sentence. I cut the tomatoes for the salad.
Or, I cut the bread into small pieces.
Perfect. The second verb is boil. B-O-I-L. To boil means to cook something in very hot, bubbling water.
Ah, I know this one. When I make my lazy evening soup, I boil water first.
That's a perfect example.
I also boil water for tea.
Exactly. You can say, I boil water for tea.
Or, boil the pasta for 10 minutes.
Great! You're doing surprisingly well. Okay, the next verb is fry. F-R-Y. Fry. When you fry something, you cook it in a pan with a little oil or butter.
Ah, okay. One of the few things I can actually cook is a fried egg or scrambled eggs.
Yes, eggs are one of the easiest foods to cook.
Every Sunday morning, I fry 2 eggs and make some toast. It doesn't take long and it tastes great.
See? You're better at cooking than you think. Everyone starts somewhere.
What do you usually fry?
Quite a few things. Sometimes I fry chicken or fish. If I'm making a quick dinner, I might fry some vegetables too.
That sounds much healthier than my cooking.
Here's a simple sentence for everyone. I fry an egg for breakfast.
Or you could say, my dad fries vegetables for dinner.
Perfect. Nice and easy.
So what's our last cooking word?
The last verb is bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. To bake means to cook food in an oven. Baking usually takes longer than frying, but it's worth the wait.
Oh, I use my oven to cook frozen pizzas.
Alex.
What do you like to bake?
I love baking cookies, banana bread, and sometimes a chocolate cake when my friends come over. I love the smell of it. The whole house smelled amazing.
That's my favorite part of baking. Even before you eat anything, your kitchen smells wonderful.
Exactly. You can say, I bake cookies on the weekend. Or, my mom bakes fresh bread.
So, we've learned 4 useful cooking verbs today. Cut, boil, fry, and bake.
That's right. Now let's use all 4 verbs together.
Are we finally going to cook something?
We are. Let's make a simple dinner together.
Sounds good. I'm ready, I think.
This recipe is easy. The first step is to prepare the vegetables.
Okay.
We cut the onion, the tomatoes, and the mushrooms.
I can do that. Although, onions always make me cry.
You're not the only one. Onions make lots of people cry. Next, we fill a big pot with water. Once the water is boiling, we add the pasta. And while the pasta is cooking, we start making the sauce.
And next, we fry the vegetables?
That's right. We put a little olive oil into a frying pan. We fry the onions first. After that, we add the mushrooms and tomatoes.
Oh, that already sounds delicious.
Right? Cooking isn't as difficult as you thought.
Maybe not, as long as someone else tells me what to do.
I'll be your cooking coach.
Great. And now, what about dessert?
After dinner, we can bake some chocolate cookies.
Woohoo, now you're talking.
We mix all the ingredients together, put the cookies on a baking tray, and bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes.
Then the whole kitchen smells amazing.
Exactly. Fresh cookies always make a house feel warm and cozy.
I'd happily wash all the dishes if someone baked me fresh cookies.
Really? I might remember that next time. Okay, so listeners, cooking is really just a series of simple steps.
And those simple steps use simple English verbs.
Cut, boil, fry, and bake. If you remembered those 4 words, you'll already understand lots of English recipes.
And who knows, maybe you'll even cook something new this week.
Yeah. All right, everyone. It's time for today's vocabulary highlight. These are 2 very useful cooking words that you'll hear again and again.
Our first word is ingredient. INGREDIENT. Ingredient.
An ingredient is one of the foods you use to make a meal. Flour, eggs, milk, onions, tomatoes, chicken, cheese. These are all ingredients.
Before you start cooking, it's a good idea to check that you have all the ingredients.
Yeah. Here are some examples. My favorite ingredient is cheese. I forgot to buy one ingredient.
Great. Our second word is recipe. R-E-C-I-P-E. Recipe.
A recipe tells you how to cook something. It gives you the ingredients and the steps. If you want to make pancakes, cookies, soup, or curry for the first time, you can follow a recipe.
Okay.
You know, even experienced cooks still use recipes when they try something new. I always need a recipe because I forget the steps.
Oh, really? Okay. Here are a few example sentences. I found a great pasta recipe online. This recipe is very easy to follow.
Today's cooking tip is simple. Read the whole recipe before you start cooking. That way, you know what to do next and you won't forget any ingredients.
That's good advice.
I once started cooking and then realized I didn't have any onions.
Oh no! What happened?
I had to stop cooking, walk to the supermarket, buy onions, come home, and start again. That's why I always check the ingredients first.
Ah, I see. Okay, everyone. It's time for our shadowing practice. Let's step into the kitchen and practice.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our pronunciation and our speed. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. I like cooking at home.
Sentence number 2. First, I cut the vegetables.
Sentence number 3. I boil water for the pasta.
Sentence number 4. I fry an egg in the pan.
Sentence number 5. On the weekend, I bake cookies.
Sentence number 6. The dinner is very delicious.
Excellent work. Your pronunciation is getting smoother every day.
Yes. And remember, you don't have to speak quickly. Clear English is much better than fast English.
Exactly. Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 18.
We want to know about your cooking skills in the kitchen.
The question is, do you like cooking? What do you like to cook?
We would love to read your answers in the comments. Don't worry if your answer is short.
Everyone has a different favorite dish.
And if cooking is not your favorite activity, that's perfectly okay.
You can write something like, I don't like cooking very much. I usually order takeaway food, but I can fry an egg.
That's very me.
And don't forget our special rule.
Please type Day 18 completed at the end of your comment.
Keep your amazing streak alive. You are doing fantastic.
Thank you so much for joining us for Day 18 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
Again, if you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
And please give this video a like. It really helps more English learners find our lessons.
Tomorrow, we'll be back with Day 19. Have a great time in your kitchen today.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.